Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, September 30th. And I'm recording this a little before the end of the day, so prices may move a little bit before you see this video. But it shouldn't matter too much to the things I want to talk about here this evening, which is the new Voodoo Lines levels, which are released today as part of the indicator. I am always trying to add some interesting stocks, and the first one that I want to show you here is AZEK, right? And you can see we had this this sharp move down in August based on these new Voodoo Lines levels. It did find our most important Voodoo fire line and is working its way back up towards the upper fire line. And the Voodoo roadmap says that particularly so long as we can stay above these two tree lines, right? The tree line here at 40.72 and the tree line at 43.74. That should keep the a possible push up towards 48.63 intact. Of course, between this upper tree line and that next fire line up, we've got snow lines here at 45.61, 46.76. Dipping below those, I mean, we are a little bit below this 46.76, but if we come below both, perhaps that sets up a retest of 43.74 that we'll need to watch, but support above 43.63 would keep the focus upwards. Also added is Danaher, which, let's get those Voodoo Lines up here, right, is also marching upwards from a lower fire line down here at 189.05 up towards a 294.69 fire line. Again, something that's that we will view as on a roadmap from fire line to fire line, particularly as long as it stays above these this 254.34 tree line, and between that tree line and the next fire line up, we have snow lines here at 269.75 and 279.28. So very much in a similar situation to AZEK, in the upper part of its range, really trying to get cleanly through the next snow line up, but so long as support levels hold, working its way up towards another fire line. And then next up, we're going to take a look at Dover. Let's get this to a daily chart and get those Voodoo Lines turned on. So this one has a little further to go. Let me just turn off the small degree lines. We are also continuing up from a fire line, one that briefly held things contained late last year in this December to early January pullback, but then turned upwards. And you can see, right, short-term troubles getting through the first tree line, but we're above there now. And again, holding 184 in here, 184 and 24 cents, keeps this this roadmap that's a little earlier in the fire line to fire line process, but still acting bullishly. You know, next meaningful target upwards would be that next tree line at 204.26, and above there, then we do see this name above both fire lines. Next up is going to be POWL Industries, another industrial name. Another one associated with sort of the electrification trend, and we'll see here in POWL. Again, early in its break above this Voodoo fire line here at 198.79, right? It ran into there a couple of times. This one in the middle, it tried a little harder to get above, but couldn't hold. But now that it is above, again, if any pullbacks hold support, then we keep focusing upwards. Next hurdle is in that 241.92 area, and it has these smaller degree snow lines to navigate to see if it can work its way up to that next tree line. And then the last new name added in today's update is going to be Toll Brothers. Again, behaving bullishly. Again, I want to get this on a daily chart to take a look at it and turn off these smaller degree lines here on the daily, right? So we are potentially here at some short-term potential resistance on our way up from 117.14, right? This is the second tree line up. So long as it holds the prior tree line, I'll view the more immediately bullish roadmap intact, but it could be a little bigger pullback if the move down from that 156 and change area comes and breaks 151.03 and 147.46. So I'm going to be watching those new names. I do like all of these names on pullbacks, but they are looking for things that I am looking for pullbacks to buy more. So long as those pullbacks aren't so big as to break the bullish roadmaps we've been looking at. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at Friday's update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.